I'm doing a redo of my how to make your own toothpaste video because I've learned a lot since I made it last year, and I've improved the recipe, and I was like holding it up and down when I made it last time. Anyway, so I have the recipe that I'll share. I wrote it down on a little card here. So the basis of the toothpaste or tooth gel is coconut oil, and so I've just melted. I'm doubling what my recipe is. So I melted 8 tablespoons of coconut oil. So right here, the melted coconut oil. I'm gonna try to use just a whisk this time. I normally will do a hand mixer, but I don't know. I'm gonna try the whisk. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go down the line. You guys, quiet. It's a ½ teaspoon salt. I didn't pre-measure this one out, so I'm pretty good at guessing amounts. So this is how I cook too. So ½ teaspoon, which is really going to be a full teaspoon. Will you guys not pogo stick for a minute? Okay. I'm guessing. Don't hate on me if I'm going overboard. I figure this pink Himalayan salt is. You need stuff in the tooth gel. Well, okay, it's desirable to have minerals. You want to remineralize your teeth, so that's why I have the salt and the calcium carbonate. So I did the salt. Let me get a whisk. Okay, I'm just gonna whisk it all in. The next thing is baking soda. This is what is going to actually clean your teeth. It's like an exfoliator sort of for your skin. So it is could be harsh on your teeth. It could, if you add too much, it could be too harsh. So that's just something you got to experiment with. So I'm adding, it's 1.5. It's 1 to 1.5. So there's 2. So remember, I'm doubling. So I think I am just going to go ahead and do 3. It's right about 3. I pre-measured that one. Then I feel so professional. Then the Bentonite Clay. This I just got at Walmart.com. It's organic. I believe it's organic. It's called Best Bentonite. Since 2005, I've heard it's a really good company. So anyway, if you didn't know, eat some of this every day. It's clay. It's supposed to help you detox and take things out of your body. Hey guys, that's too loud. How much? 1.5. No, 1 teaspoon. So again, I'm just gonna eyeball this. That's about 1, and then dos. Actually, that wasn't quite 2. Oh, and then this time I decided I'm gonna add. I've heard diatomaceous. I don't know how to say it. Diatomaceous earth is also something good to add to toothpaste. So I'm gonna add, I don't know, a teaspoon. I've never added this before. It's like dried oysters or something like that. I don't know exactly what it is, but I know it's good for deworming. That's another thing you can ingest every once in a while. That's good for you. I know some people that do it every day. Same with the Bentonite Clay. I do that every day. I make it out of a pill. I put it into a capsule. Okay, Bentonite Clay, then the calcium carbonate. Literally all I did was grind up with a spoon. I wish I had one of those medicine grinder thingies, but all the ones I tried to buy were just crap from China probably. So anyhow, I just ground up a calcium, I used the wrong spoon. My hands are clean, by the way. A calcium pill, calcium carbonate, and I'm just gonna add that in. It's a little bit wet from the coconut oil. Then this is an interesting one. The first time I added the sesame oil, because I've experimented with the recipe a few times, it tasted a little bit too much like my salad, because I love sesame oil on my salad. Yeah, I inhaled some spit. So, by the way, I'm making this specific recipe for my friend who I told I would make her some for Christmas. And we're into February, and I just putting it off. So Anyways, better late than never. So it's a teaspoon of sesame oil, and that's a teaspoon. So that means 2. I'm gonna be a little bit more conservative and maybe not add 2. Maybe I'll add 1.5. I just don't want it to taste like salad dressing. Not that there's anything wrong with that. So I smell salad. So okay, then you know what? Okay, so one of the last few ingredients is pepper, essential oils of your choice, and clove is a good one. But I last time I added whole or ground cloves, and I like that. So it's kind of weird though when you rinse your mouth, you're gonna be spitting out little bits of clove. I don't know if it's better or worse than the oil, but I like it, and maybe it just adds a little bit to the cleansing effect of the baking soda. So anyway, I took actual whole cloves. That one was on sale, and I ground those up as well. So I'm just gonna add, I don't know, a smidgen. Is that a word? A smidgen of actual clove. Finally, okay, the cayenne pepper. This is Laura Bean's edition. I've never seen anybody add this to their recipe, but I know it is very good for cleaning. It kills viruses and bacteria and stuff. The heat is what does that. I just know it gives me that feeling of clean. I should do more research, I know. This one happens to be organic. Finally got that. I did a ½ teaspoon. So, I don't know. That might be too much for you. I don't know. So I'm going to do, this is for my friend. So maybe I will do less than 1 teaspoon. I could always dilute it because I always taste it at the end to see if it's good. It's not too crazy. Okay, I don't know why that's not coming out. All right, that's about a ½ teaspoon. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more like that. Okay, so finally, we're almost done. Oh, that's hot. I can smell that. That's good stuff. Finally, I think I like the peppermint. Maybe I've just been conditioned that mint means healthy, clean teeth, but whatever, I like it. So hopefully everyone else does too. So I've just got some peppermint oil. I can't read anymore, so I can't read what company that one is. But I am gonna do 8 drops. No, I'm gonna do a full dropper full. Is that gonna be too much? It's about 12 drops. Okay. And then I haven't added oregano in the past, but I'm gonna add a little bit. Hopefully you like it. I'm probably gonna give this to other people because I don't need any. I made tons of it for my family pretty recently. Okay, I don't want it to be too strong with the oregano either. So, and then cinnamon, that's another good one. Let me see if I have any actual just cinnamon. Oh wait, yeah, I'm sure I do. Because I got that organic as well from Walmart.com. I don't shop Amazon anymore. So most of the stuff I get is, and I just put it into an already used container. Most of the stuff I buy, Walmart.com, I don't know. I just, if you don't know why I don't support Amazon, just look up Adam Schiff and what he did last year about this time. And the letter he sent to all the puppets that cowed to what he wanted. Okay, so I think I'm good not using a mixer. I think just the whisk is fine. Then when you're done, all you do is pour it. Okay, I'm gonna have to splice these together. And this camera is not as good, but it just died on me, my husband's phone. So all you do is mix up, I know it looks kind of gross. Usually it looks more gray than this. It's a little more brown this time, I'm guessing, because I added the extra cinnamon stuff. I was going to taste it. Okay, here we go. Oh, by the way, for my kids when I made it, I added root beer extract. I just had it on hand, so to make it more palatable to the kiddos. It seems to taste okay to me. It's a little too strong in the oregano, but you know, it's not a bad taste to have in your mouth. It feels kind of clean too. I'm gonna add a little more peppermint. So let's just finish this video up. I don't want it to be too long. Actually, I can just finish it right now. You'll want to probably take, I think it's good. These are the ones I bought. Cute little silicone. Hopefully it's not bad for you. But it's not a liquid, like it's a liquid now. I don't know. I've been putting it in that, and I hope it's going to work. I do have here we go. It's a little too dispenser. So even though this is really small, it's going to work just fine. This holds, I think, 3 ounces. What do they allow on the plane? I think it's 3. And that's what these are meant to hold, is exactly what's allowed on the plane. Okay. Can I have a lid? Yep. And so what this will do is just set it out in room temperature. You might put it in the fridge to make it harden faster, and it's just going to get hard, and hopefully, oh, here's something that's really important. In fact, I should probably do it right now. If you don't add any water to this, okay, what I just thought of this, it will be probably too hard to squeeze out. And I gave it away for Christmas to some people. It was a little bit too hard, and I hope they figured it out. So I'm actually going to empty some of this out and actually just add water. I believe I forgot that. And I'm going to shake it up. And the idea there is it'll just make it more pourable, squeezable. So I probably will want to refrigerate it so it hardens faster. Anyway, fill up all your containers, put it in the fridge, let it harden, and you are golden. You can squeeze this out just like you would with any toothpaste or tooth gel, and you'll actually be doing your mouth a huge favor. I will put some links in the comments of why this is so good for you, and why to not use regular toothpaste. You don't want, at least don't get the fluoride. Look up fluoride. Oh my gosh. Where have I been with my brain my whole life? If you don't use your own homemade stuff, buy the natural stuff. That's my opinion. Do your own research. Okay. Bye. Have a blessed day. Couple of additional things I noticed this time with the addition of water, that once I put it in the containers, it started to settle and separate, rather. Some of the ingredients were separating. So I would recommend every once in a while, every 10 minutes or so. I'm putting mine in the freezer, and I'm shaking it up every 10 minutes or so until it's hardened. I feel like there was one more thing I was going to say. Oh yeah, the reason last time when I made it, it was a little grayer, I added activated charcoal. So I didn't do that this time. That would be another great ingredient to add. And okay.